फकरीद बताइए that nicely leads up to this question कि you're now a CHRO at a very well-known company, CCL Holdings, and when you look back your journey from UMT all the way till the position that you are now at, what do you think have been pivotal points or the areas which have propelled you to be here today, in this position?
I think very interesting question, and ज़ाहिर है वो कहते हैं ना कि in hindsight, the vision is always 2020. So always saying बहुत अच्छा ये किया step किया. So I think दो चीज़ें अहम रही, and I'll sort of try to be bilingual in the sense कि बहुत ज़्यादा हमें वो ना हो कि हमको ऐसे words इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं जो हमारे ऑडियंस के हैं जी पता नहीं why they are sort of using those words. So देखिए एक दो चीज़ें नहीं, एक तो you have to stay relevant, right? So initially I started from education. I started my career from LUMS. Then I moved into international NGOs, British Council थी. So learning बहुत अच्छी रही, and initially my work was more about business, right? P&L संभाल रहे हैं, products and all of that part. But I think as the industry moves, as the learning sort of curves move, you have to stay relevant. So आप तो पढ़ते रहें, आप पढ़ें समझें नई technologies क्या आ रही हैं, and also that really helped me was कि whatever the industry was moving through, so I went through accordingly, into that side. And around 20 years ago, फिर वो HR sort of happened. I moved into the training side of the British Council, and फिर वहाँ से वाला HR वाली जर्नी दोबारा से sort of start हो गया. Started from learning in HR in LUMS, and then फिर of course वो जर्नी रही. So I think staying relevant is important, and secondly, upskilling करते रहें अपने आप को. ऐसा नहीं कि वो आपने एक बार सीख लिया, of course ऐसा नहीं, because technology दुनिया हर चीज़ move कर रही है, and so is the humans, right? Essentially, फिर आपने मूव करना है उनके साथ. तो आप कहें जी नहीं मेरा तो ये फील्ड है, नहीं, वो फील्ड खत्म हो जाएंगी. आई एम नॉट श्योर कि जिन फील्ड्स में अभी हम हैं नेक्स्ट 4 to 5 years में वो रहेंगी कि नहीं रहेंगी. बट वेरेवर दे आर, द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज देन यू स्टे रेलेवेंट. सो यू मूव along the technology, along the people development, along the side, the way society is developing. So I think that helped me accordingly, and again I enjoyed the journey.